Let's start with a question. What is my purpose and how can I discover it through my career choice? This isn't a question that only you are asking. Many of us grapple with these questions as we navigate our way through life. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey, not just about earning a paycheck, but an exploration of options that can lead to discovering your purpose. This journey of finding purpose through career is indeed a multi-step process. Each step involves self-discovery, research, networking, gaining experience, setting goals, seeking guidance, embracing change, considering impact, and staying informed. Every step, a piece of the puzzle that, when put together, paints the picture of a fulfilling career. Remember, our career choices are often a reflection of our values, passions, and aspirations. They can also become a vehicle for change, a way to make a difference in the world. So, let's embark on this journey of self-discovery and find a fulfilling career. Self-discovery is the first crucial step in finding your purpose. It's like embarking on a fascinating journey where you unearth your interests, your strengths, and your values. Imagine being an archaeologist, excavating your true self from the depths of your existence. This introspection is fundamental in making a career choice. It's like a compass, guiding you towards a profession that resonates with your core. It's not just about what you are good at, but also what you are passionate about. Knowing yourself aids in aligning your career path with your purpose. Once you've discovered your interests, the next step is to research. But why, you ask? Well, imagine you're setting off on a journey. Would you rather embark blindly, or would you prefer to have a map in hand? Research is that map. Now, let's break it down a bit. What should you research? First and foremost, potential career paths. Understand the nature of the work, the skills required, and the growth prospects. Next, industry trends. What sectors are booming? Where does your interest align with opportunity? Also, consider the job market. Are there ample opportunities in your chosen field? Is there room for growth and advancement? These are the questions that thorough research can help answer. Remember, the purpose of research isn't to limit your options, but to illuminate them. It's about making an informed decision that aligns with your interests, skills, and ambitions. Knowledge is power, and extensive research powers your career decisions. Networking is not just about who you know, but also about who knows you. As you navigate the maze of career exploration, think of networking as your compass. It's the key to unlocking valuable insights, advice, and opportunities. It's about building relationships, exchanging ideas, and learning from others' experiences. It's about being seen, heard, and remembered. It's about creating a ripple effect where one connection leads to another and another. So, remember, networking can open doors you didn't even know existed. Experience is the greatest teacher. It's vital to immerse yourself in the real world of your chosen field. Internships, part-time jobs, even volunteering, all provide a first-hand look at the realities you'll face. They offer a lens to view the nuances, challenges, and rewards of the profession. It's in these trenches that theory meets practice, where book knowledge transforms into practical wisdom. By gaining this experience, you're not just accumulating skills, you're shaping your perspective. Experience shapes your perspective and equips you to make informed career choices. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Let's think about that. When we set goals, we're essentially laying a roadmap for our career. Short-term goals, like internships or learning new skills, create stepping stones to our success. Long-term goals, such as landing a dream job or starting a business, serve as our North Star, guiding us toward our ultimate destination. They provide the motivation to strive, to persist, to succeed. Remember, goals give your career journey a clear direction. Guidance is the beacon that guides your career ship to the shore. As we navigate the vast ocean of career possibilities, it's critical to seek advice from those who've sailed before us. Mentors, career counselors, seasoned professionals, they're our lighthouse keepers, offering valuable insights and helping us steer clear of potential pitfalls. They've weathered the storms and charted the currents. By tapping into their wisdom, we can make informed decisions, sidestep common mistakes, and chart a course toward our career goals. Guidance illuminates your career path. Change is the only constant. In the dynamic landscape of the job market, adaptability is a vital skill. Just as a chameleon changes its colors to survive, we too must be willing to adjust and adapt. As technology advances, industries evolve and new opportunities arise. Our willingness to embrace change can be the catalyst for our growth and advancement. It's not just about surviving, it's about thriving. Remember, every change is a door to a new opportunity. Embracing change is embracing opportunities. Every career choice has an impact. It's not just about the paycheck at the end of the month, it's about the imprint you leave on society, the environment, and on your own personal growth. Your career can be a powerful tool for change, whether you're designing eco-friendly products or teaching future generations. Your work can contribute to a better world. It can provide you with a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Remember, your career is your contribution to the world. Staying informed is staying ahead. In the dynamic world we live in, it's crucial to keep abreast of the latest industry trends, advancements, and opportunities. This continuous learning not only enhances your knowledge, but also increases your adaptability. Whether it's advancements in technology, changes in market trends, or new opportunities in your field, being updated can give you an edge. It can open doors to new possibilities and help you navigate your career path more effectively. Staying informed empowers you in your career journey. Finding purpose in your career is a journey, not a destination. As we've explored in this guide, every step is vital in shaping your path. From self-discovery, where you uncover your passions and strengths, to the relentless pursuit of research, helping you understand the opportunities that align with your interests. Networking opens up new avenues, allowing you to connect with professionals who can provide insights and advice. Gaining experience, whether through internships or volunteering, gives you a taste of the real world. Setting goals keeps you focused, while seeking guidance ensures you're on the right track. Embracing change allows you to adapt and grow, while considering your impact helps you understand how your career choices can contribute to society. Staying informed keeps you abreast of the latest trends and opportunities in your chosen field. In conclusion, every step is a piece of the puzzle, helping you find direction and purpose in your career. Remember, the purpose is not just about what you want to do, but why you want to do it. Happy exploring!